So smart pumps have, or smart infusion pumps have absolutely increased the safety of providing all sorts of intravenous infusions to patients, whether it be large volume fluids or intermittent medications or titratable drips for critical care patients. They allow us to build in kind of guardrails so that you're guided to the correct rate and you can't go too low or too high or else you'll receive certain types of warnings. So it really is helpful in that situation. And the advent of interoperability, which I think has been around for maybe at least 10 years now, but it's starting to get more and more adopted, makes it so that you take away the need to have a user interface with that pump to the same degree that they used to, or now the information regarding the correct rate is automatically fed from your electronic medical record into the pump itself. So that takes away some of those transcription type errors where somebody may select the wrong medication or transpose numbers and type in an incorrect rate. So it is absolutely a beneficial or an absolutely fantastic tool for increasing safety around the administration of intravenous medications and fluids. I think what the problem is we see most often is that these things are expensive. So organizations often don't have enough of them. So because they may not have enough to manage every single thing being provided intravenously for every patient, oftentimes medications will go through these pumps, but they might run IV fluids just by gravity. Or use of another alternative device. Sometimes there are flow restrictor devices that can go into intravenous tubing for the fluids. But ultimately, the recommendation would be that all your fluids, all your medications go through these pumps to ensure that you don't have accidental overinfusion, or somebody might undo the roller clamp all the way and then the full liter just runs right into the patient uncontrolled. So certainly the use of an infusion device with those types of flow restrictions and rate programming is more accurate and safer for patients.